Today is a black day for democracy. The Honorable Speaker said that he is giving permission for LOP to speak and tried to create a situation where the BJP party members were obstructing our LOP from voicing his opinions, sharing what has really transpired at the border of Indo and China. And this is what the problem with the House today we highlighted to the country and to the world, where Prime Minister Modi is trying to control the narrative. He is even selecting and choosing what the LOP of our country should voice. And that is against the democratic right of our LOP. And today they have suspended 8 members of our party. They were in support of our LOP voicing his opinions, but the Speaker, because of pure directions from the Modi government, has suspended them and has stopped our LOP from voicing his opinions. This is against democratic rights, this is against democracy, and we will stand by and we will fight.
Sir, government is respect the parliamentary rules.
He is absolutely respecting the rules, and he is responding to the speech given by the President. In the President's speech, she has clearly mentioned about India and China conflict and how Narendra Modi ji and the BJP government has handled the Operation Sindoor and how we were victorious. But the fact is, after Operation Sindoor, there was a Red Fort attack which the BJP government is not accepting. After that, the LOP is trying to voice his opinion about inaction from Prime Minister Modi on a crucial incident that happened at the India-China border, which the BJP is afraid that will tarnish the image and reputation that they have built with thousands and thousands of crores to build brand Modi, Howdy Modi, which is coming out into the public. And when our LOP, Rahul Gandhi ji, is trying to voice this opinion, they are in fear. It is very clear the BJP is acting out of fear that the truth will be out. The truth must come out, the truth will prevail. Jai Hind.